if you're planning a trip to Japan, one thing you got to make sure to do is allocate a little bit of time to take in some of the nature, especially if you can get away from some of the tourists and tourism. Check out some of the villages that are a little bit more isolated on the outskirts of the cities, and you can find some, especially near rivers and mountains. You can find some just amazing locations as far as taking in incredible nature. Currently up in the mountains outside of Takayama City, Gifu Prefecture. This is Hida-Takayama area, not far from Yukawa village. Got some really impressive rock faces. Beautiful clean river. You can kind of cool off a little bit in this crazy Japan summer heat and have a little picnic.